Hello, this has really struck my mind. I've been finding out how you make a sound with this. I've always wanted to know, but I've just found out it took me 3 minutes to find out on a video on YouTube. All you really need here is wine glass and water, and I'll be showing you the technique to do so. So really, the only thing you really need to do is stick your finger in there, make sure it's wet, and then you have to like time it right, and then it starts making a sound. Also, the lower the water, the higher the tune basically. So the deeper the water, like say if the water's up here, the deeper the tone's going to be, whereas it's down here, it's going to be really, really high pitched. 2 seconds, I'm going to go fill this up to about here. Right, that's me back. As you can see, the water's up to here. At least, hold on, I want to get this level for you. As you can see, the glass is not modified. Don't know why the glass would be modified, but you get some stupid people out there. But anyways, let's give this a bash. There we go. I don't know if it works with any glass. As far as I'm concerned, this is what it is basically. But yeah, that was a 3-minute guide on how to make sound with a wine glass. Really simple, really. All it is this, just round in a circular motion. Some people it may differ. You just need to time it right. As you see now, I'm moving slowly, and now I'm getting sound. Whereas you see people on videos, and they move like this, and they get sound constant. But people, it's different. You have to find the speed. It doesn't seem to be working anyway. But there you go. Just to make sure your fingers are wet. That's about it. Thank you for watching my 3-minute and 26-second guide so far. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.